It's 10 minutes to 10 and time now for Between the Ears, our programme for adventurous radio. And we're continuing our series showcasing work from BBC Arts Introducing, a scheme which gives artists a chance to experiment from audio. Tonight, we're taking a trip to Walton Pier on the Essex coast, where the people, place and arcade machines combine to create an infectious energy.
You can be on the pier here and you can hear people laughing all the way down the beach. This is just natural laughter. It's people just being. It's wonderful.
The 2p one. You make a little roll and you just and it makes it come out. I feel like a little kid.
But they also used to have a really spooky end of the pier kind of guy, which was like a policeman that used to laugh and then move round and go like, ha 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 ha.
All right, 25. That was really great. Don't forget your tickets. Okay, go ahead and give it a crank. That's it. Way to go.
As you walk down the pier slope, you knew where you were straight away because all rides have a particular noise. The Walser had a noise, the Speedway had a noise.
Because the Walser went up and down like a wave, and there were big bucket seats,
And they spin
and
them.
they spin them. And obviously, if you were a young girl, yeah, I think it was a bit of a babe magnet, wasn't it? And they would spin you, and God, did you feel sick?
And the man was like standing up and like, how does he do it? Because it goes like so fast and he's just standing on like
The floor.
yeah, like one of the floor bits while it's spinning round.
I used to work on here when I was 16. So I know the pier quite well. Me and my friend used to work the ghost train, one of us was hiding it. And when they're coming around going, this is boring, you jump out and grab them to stop the car and just put a handle on their shoulder. So, scare the living daylights out. What would you expect a ghost train?
All your senses are assaulted in terms of sound, but it's just a complete mash of noise.
When I first went on the pier, it was full of pennies and things like that. People used to scrabble around underneath the pier on the sand, collecting pennies that used to drop through the boards.
Acoustically, under the pier is quite, it's like being on another planet. The air is different down there, the sounds are different, and the perspective of everything that you look outside from under the pier columns is different as well.
Walking on the pier, it's like walking in history, so you kind of walk in the footsteps of people. You can imagine like the Victorians walking down, and it's getting away, and the sound of the sea and the wind and the clouds and the sun, it's a combination of everything really.
Well, we have some food first and then you can have ice cream after.
No, I see you back now.
Ice cream better, I know.
Just to touch the buttons, just to feel the plastic or the wood of these amazing machines, just to sit on one of the fairground rides, or just to walk to the end of the pier and get blown to pieces. I mean, it's such a human experience. The essential element is you come here, you walk out into the sea, and you play.
That was Hidden Sounds of Coastal Arcades. The sound artist was Frazer Merrick and the producer was Nick Woolger. It was a Screen South production for New Creatives, supported by BBC Arts and Arts Council.